Warning: always turn off the electric power and shut off gas before performing work on the range. The tools required for replacing the thermostat are a 7mm nut driver and a dental pick or hook-like tool. Move the range into position where the back is accessible. To access the thermostat, remove the back panel by removing the 7mm screws. With the dental pick or hook, pull the ends of the thermostat clip down to unlock it. This is another view of the thermostat retainer clip being unlocked. Pull the thermostat straight off the oven selector switch and remove the clip. The thermostat probe is located inside the electric oven. Free this by maneuvering it off the clips. To gain access to the front of the electrical box, remove the range top. Please refer to the Lifting the Range Top video. Loosen the 7mm bolt on the electric oven knob shaft, then pull the rod out of the way. Remove both screws on the bottom of the electrical box. To remove the thermostat probe and capillary tube, maneuver the box out of the way. This probe will come straight out of the oven opening. Maneuver the new thermostat probe into the oven opening. Lock the thermostat probe by maneuvering it onto the clips. Replace both screws at the base of the electrical box. Replace the electric oven knob shaft and tighten the retaining bolt. Replace the retainer clip onto the thermostat. Replace both spade connections. Reinstall the thermostat onto the oven selector switch. With the appropriate tool, bend the clip ends back up to lock the module into position. Replace the back panel and the screws. Push the range back into position.